guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today is just going to be a quick one. So I'm just going to run you through one secret that I found out. So I found out about something that helps children during the cold season or cold weather. So some children tend to have runny nose, some children tend to have cough and the rest. You can also go to the hospital and the doctor will prescribe drugs. But when you are bathing your baby, this is what you should use: silver bed. Use silver bed for your baby. I don't know if you can see the silver bed. Use it for your baby. Just a little drop inside the water would help. A little drop inside the water would help you. It will help because this silver bed used to be hot. So when you put it inside the water, you know, normally you bathe children or newborn, let's say children, with warm water. So when you put it inside the warm water, it makes their body to be hot. It helps them to be warm. So this silver bed will help. And you can also use silver bed to steam them if you want to steam. Please, if you don't know how to steam, ask around. I did not say you should put your baby in the pot and steam the baby. Okay, so ask around how to steam. You know, it's just getting hot water, okay, in a bucket, then pouring a little. Whenever you're using this, a little, you pour in a little, and you feel the menthol from it. Okay, pour it in a little, then you lay the baby on your lap, then and cover the baby close to the hot water. I don't know how you're going to do it, but the water will be here, the baby will be here. So you use your other hand to hold the baby. You cover the baby with a cloth, a wrap, or whatever. You cover it. Just 1, 2, 3. You open it. 1, 2, 3. You open it so that the steam coming out from that hot water, the baby will inhale it, and it will help to open or free their nostrils. So this silver bed has helped me a lot. It helped me when my baby was like, I think a month. My baby had this nostril block or nasal block. I used it and it helped me. I use it in bathing her, I use it in steaming her, and it's not, I didn't consume it. I don't know if it is edible, so I didn't do that. I just pour it in the water, little drop, just a drop of it. Use it in bathing her, use it in steaming her, and she's warm at all time. And before you know it, within 3-4 days, she became better. So I don't like hiding secrets. So this is it. For disclaimers, why I'm making this video? I'm making this video because it has helped me and it might also help you as well. So I used it, it helped my kids, so I'm putting it out here to help people know that this can work as well for nostril block. Thank you for watching the video. Catch you later. Bye.